how to fix Canon printer not printing. Now there are a number of things that can cause these issues, so let's try to troubleshoot step by step. First, we want to make sure the power cable are fully attached to the computer. So here on the computer, you want to make sure it is fully plugged in, and make sure the Canon printer can turn on with the power button. So press on the power button here and make sure it is turned on. If your Canon printer is using a USB cable, make sure it is fully plugged into the printer and the computer. Now if it is connected to the computer, you should see the printer status. Here it shows idle or connected. Another thing that you may want to try is to restart your printer. So simply switch it off or unplug your computer from the power source, and then we're going to wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute and plug it back in. Now you would do the same with your computer. Simply restart your computer and your printer and plug it back in. Sometimes this often resolve temporary glitches. On your printer, also check for paper jam. So open this up and inspect to see if there is any paper jam in this paper compartment. If paper jam, then it can cause the problem. Now another thing that you want to check is the ink level on your printer. If it's low or the light is flashing, indicating that you need to replace the ink or the toner, then go ahead and replace the ink cartridge. Replace any low or empty cartridge with genuine Canon replacements. So once you've replaced it, simply close the cover. Now on your computer, you may also want to go into settings, then Bluetooth and devices, and click on printers and scanners. So Bluetooth and devices, then click on printers and scanners in here, and go down and select your printer. Then click on Open Print Queue. In here, if there are any queues, try to clear them all out or cancel all the print job. And while you're in here, you want to click on Printing Properties and then click on the Maintenance tab at the top. And you may want to try to perform a cleaning or deep cleaning or print head alignment and Noozle check. So run through each one of these and see if that can fix the problem. Now another thing that you can do is go into your printer and then select Set as Default. So set your printer as default so that when a queue or a print job is running, it will go to that printer instead of other printers. Now if you still have a problem on your computer, you can go into System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Printer and then click on Run. Okay, so run to troubleshoot the printer. Now if these quick steps do not work, you may want to consider updating your printer drivers from the Canon website or performing a print head cleaning via the printer's maintenance settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.